Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Isha and Deepak. In today's video we're going to take you around the Villa Beach Cottages, which is one of the most beautiful accommodations in Saint Lucia. Very affordable, right on the beach face. This place has a lot of good things to say, but one of the best amenities is it's sea facing. All you have to do is to come out of your cottage and there you go. This place is a family owned business and I met the manager as well, who seems to be a very interesting man.
I am Colin, the general manager of the Villa Beach Cottages in Saint Lucia.
He showed me how this place used to look back in 1957 and then how his grandfather bought this place. So this is what the Villa Beach Cottages looked like back then. Wow. And this is how it looks now. So let me give you a tour of this place so that you know what I'm talking about. Located right in the middle of Saint Lucia's capital, Castries, next to Sandals Resort, this Villa Beach Cottage is just 2.7 kilometers away from the Charles Airport and 33 kilometers away from the UVF Airport, which makes this location very prime. Villa Beach Cottage is an intimate boutique beachfront hotel which features 1 and 2 bedroom villa suites nestled among the coconut trees and lush tropical gardens at Choc Bay and offers panoramic views of the Caribbean Sea. Since this place is family owned, a lot of attention is given to the quality of service, which makes it an even better experience. Though secluded, this place is close to convenient dining, shopping and entertainment areas, with Gablewoods Mall just a couple minutes walk, and even the main hub of Rodney Bay is just a 10 to 15 minutes drive. Now let's talk about the interior of the villas. The villa suites are built in a colonial style and every suite is dedicated to someone special to the family who owns it. Our suite was dedicated to Derek Walcott, who was a Saint Lucia Nobel Prize winner and a great poet and stayed here multiple times. Upon entering, there was a fully functioning kitchen with oven, microwave and a variety of cookware and appliances you would need to cook a meal. And also a small coffee table which we mostly use for attending meetings, which brings me to the point that Wi-Fi works pretty well here. So if you're having a remote job, you can be rest assured to be connected during your stay. Once you pass through the kitchen, you will enter the bedroom, which also has an in-room jacuzzi and a colonial style window with attractive wooden shutters and offers the most stunning ocean views. The cream colored walls are adorned with a few pieces of artwork which range from colorful local art to uninspired still lifes. This beautiful sofa and this wooden dresser enhanced the theme of this room. The bed was very comfortable and the colorful runner made the whole bedding even more attractive. They did a great job with the decor. The room also had amenities like digital clock, USB ports, in-room safe, hair dryer, iron and ironing board, a flat screen TV and DVD player, which was inside a cupboard and we got to know about it on the last day. The attached bathroom has 2 pedestal sinks and a walk-in shower. I liked the way they played with the towels and flowers to give it a tropical vibe. Check out these French doors that open onto a private balcony with the most beautiful views of the ocean. This was undoubtedly my favorite part. We spent most of the time here on this balcony, whether it was enjoying our morning coffee while reading a book or just looking at the ocean and enjoying the sound of the waves. It's amazing what the sound of the ocean and the view like this does to your mood and to your mental health. We also enjoy the evenings here while sipping champagne and watching the sunset. It was wonderful to have been able to stay at a decent place like this, that too so close to the beach at such a reasonable price. We paid around $250, but the price can vary depending upon the season. But trust me, every penny spent here is well worth. Now, let me take you around to show you the rest of the on-site amenities. Just opposite to our villa, there was the guest service cottages, which houses a casual little business center with computer station, printer and a tall shelf of used paperback books. They also had a guest laundry and a Coco's mini mart where you can buy your day-to-day essentials like toiletries, souvenirs or grocery staples. But please note that it's only open until there is someone at the reception area, so make sure you keep that in mind. This hotel also offers free parking, airport transfers, and at an additional charge, you can also get your suite stocked with groceries prior to your arrival. The narrow plot stretching between the villas and the beach has an appealing mix of tropical hardwood and a perfectly landscaped lawn. You will find a few hammocks looped between a row of palm trees where you can just relax and chill. There are 2 pools at either end of the plot, one small plunge pool with a rock and waterfall feature, and on the other end there is a larger swimming pool with an integrated whirlpool overlooking the ocean. The temperature of the pool was comfortably maintained and the pool was regularly cleaned. If you don't wish to go inside the pool, you can comfortably sit on the blue loungers under the beach umbrellas. You can in fact sit inside the blue and white gazebos, which are also used for weddings here. These contrasting colonial colors used in the architecture of this property are so pleasant to the eyes. We had a routine of swimming in the pool every day before we went to the ocean and then ending our night back in the pool before going to bed. Luckily, there were very less people in the hotel at that time, so we got the pool mostly to ourselves during our stay. You have multiple staircases from the pool area to get to the ocean, and the best part is that this part of the Choc Bay beach is barely crowded. So you will have the best time ever if you prefer the secluded beaches like we do. You will, however, be sharing this beach with the guests staying in Sandals next door though, but it's like a few steps away. I have to say that this beach was one of the cleanest beaches I've ever seen in my life. Normally when I get inside a beach, my feet always get stuck in the weed. But here the sand was soft and very comfortable with no weed at all. This place is the best if you're on a romantic vacation or on your honeymoon, but since it also accommodates children, it's very practical for families too. However, please note that there is no bar at the property, so if you're coming here to socialize or to party, this place might not be the best fit for you. There are also no restaurants here except a small cafe which opens for a limited hours. You can order breakfast here and then either sit here to eat or take it back to your room. They also offer breakfast delivery to your room for an additional charge, which we thought was not a cool thing, but we understand the limitations since it's a family-owned business. They do not have a wide variety of items in their menu, but it's alright if you want to have a quick breakfast before your tour. Well, hope you liked this video and this beautiful accommodation. We are definitely coming back to stay here again. And we hope that you come here and stay here when you are visiting Saint Lucia. This was it for this video, guys. Hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions regarding this place, feel free to drop a message on Instagram or drop a comment below. We'll definitely try to help you out with any questions you have. And if you really like this video, do not leave without leaving us a thumbs up. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, you take care of yourself. Cheers.